95% of code coverage.
Sure. So he's asking where the unit testing is here. Of course, the unit testing in general is called the white box testing. Wow. Unit testing means as a developer, front-end developer, back-end developer, you wrote the code. You have to write code again to test your code. That's called the unit testing. One more time. You write the code for the user sign-in. As a developer, your core responsibility is do the white box testing. So you write the code for the sign-in, you have to rewrite code again to test your sign-in code. That's called the unit testing. In industry, we call the white box testing. It is exclusively performed by the software engineer. So now the many project, they do the manual unit testing. Many project, they do the postman for the unit testing, they call it. In many projects, they don't do it. It all depends on how the company culture. Because why? Number one reason, everybody wants the things fast. Get it done fast. Of course, so you write the code, it took 2 hours. Now you need to write another code to test the code, that will take 2 hours, right? And there is a process in place. Well, without the unit testing code, quality assurance cannot do anything. Well, so give a lot of time to developer now, right? So again, the reason many projects do not do the unit testing, the coding, because it takes time. So what the company does, they actually identify the application, they start slowly, adopt the culture, because unit testing is the most powerful testing in the software development, because that's where actual bug can be seen. All other testing you do is called the black box testing. All other testing. White box testing means you see the code and you are writing the code to test your code. Black box testing means you do not know the logic. You do not see the logic. You do not see the code. You just black boxing. You are like typing something. You're just typing it. So it is called the black box testing. And black box testing is performed by the all other team members, especially quality assurance team. Did I answer your question?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
So now the question is, if the developer do the unit testing, they create a task for that. So if they do not do the coding, but only the API testing, so they just create a task, the API testing, API unit testing, and they just perform the, update the profile, update one field, update two field. They do all this scenario coverage, like the quality assurance, and they update their users, update their task, and they move on. Good? Did I answer your question?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
Good.